What happened to me? Okay. Now it's recording, right?
I don't know. But teacher is live on YouTube.
Yeah, now all our classes is live on YouTube. Okay. Ishan, please wait. Something wrong. Please give me a minute, yeah. I cannot download the slide. Wait. It says my Chrome is wrong, so I cannot open the system. Give me a few minutes. Okay, I got it. Okay, so let's get started with today's topic. So today we're going to learn about blood, okay? Ishan and Emin, do you know what is blood? Of course, right? Okay, but the pronunciation is blood, okay? It's not blood, okay? All right, so I'm going to give you like 2 to 3 minutes. I want you to do some Google search. Don't look at the slide. Do some Google search about blood, okay, and then share 5 informations that everyone should know about blood. Do you know what blood type are you?
Yes. Oh,
O positive or O negative?
I don't know.
Because if you are O negative, it is very difficult for you to get the blood, you know, right?
I don't know.
Oh, really?
I
Because
only I only know my blood is O.
check with your mother whether it's O negative or O positive. Because if your blood type is O negative, you have to open a bank and then save your blood in a bank. Because if something happened to you in the future, you cannot get blood because O negative is the blood that is very difficult to get. But if you are O positive, because my cousin is O negative, I have one friend O negative and one cousin O negative. So their parents open a bank and then they collect from young, when she was young, until now they collect the O blood, O negative blood for her. Because if accident happen or during pregnancy, the blood come out a lot. So it's very difficult to get the immediate blood. If you save the blood, then the hospital can immediately take the blood from your bank. So you can check with your mama, papa, you are O negative or O positive. If you are O positive, then it's very easy to get. O positive and all other blood type is very easy to get, but only O negative is difficult. So you can check with your parents and then see what you should do. And how about Emin? What blood type are you? Do you know that? No.
She also O and Hân Thao also.
Oh, your whole family is O.
Yes.
Then I think your family is O positive, because if your whole family is O negative, confirm when you born time, the doctor would tell to your parents to save the blood. When your parents deliver you, confirm the doctor will inform your mama papa. So your children are O negative, so you have to start saving the blood. But since you don't know your parents are doing like that, right? They are not doing like that, right? They are not saving your blood.
Yes.
Then confirm you guys are O positive. O positive, very easy to get. So your parents, do you know your parents' blood type?
No.
No. But I'm sure one of them is O. Because 3 of you O, right? So either your mother is O or your father is O.
My mama is O
Ah,
because my mother said that before.
so your papa is different. Teacher is AB positive. AB positive or negative? I forgot, but something AB. And same with my papa. My papa is same with me. But my mother and my 2 brother is different. Okay, so now I'm going to give you like 3 to 4 minutes. Don't look at your slides. Find out informations about blood and share in the chat box. Write at least 5 sentences about blood. Understand?
Understand?
Yeah. Let me know once you have ready collecting the information. Yishun, have you done collecting the information? Okay. Imin? No?
No,
How many information did you get?
I'm done.
almost done.
Mm. Yishun, how many N? Can you do correction? You cannot answer like N like that. To the lungs full stop and then you can say, oh, transporting oxygen and nutrients. Tissues, you can put full stop. Full stop, you can just put blood regulates body temperature. It is needed to keep us alive. Very good answer. After you do the correction, you can send your answer to everyone. Okay, Emin, can you read your answer? Wait, let me check first. Emin, blood is red in color.
Okay.
Blood is red in color, full stop. And it is one, right? It calls red blood cells. Put as it calls.
Okay. Done.
Except of red. How do I change this? Okay, change like this, Emin. There are two types of blood. We have two types of blood, full stop. Another type of blood is white blood cell. You cannot use the word except of red. And then you can sell 1% of your blood is white. Blood is important for us. If we don't have blood, don't take out the word God. You will not survive.
Teacher, can you say again?
Which one? Okay, blood is red in color. Full stop. It, I is big I. It calls ed. It called red blood cell. Full stop.
Okay.
Then
Done.
there are two types of blood. Full stop.
Okay.
Another type of blood is white blood cell. Another type of blood is white blood cells.
Okay.
1% of our blood is white. 1% of our blood is white. Then,
Yes.
okay, blood is important for us. If we don't have blood, take out the word God.
Okay.
Send your answer to everyone. Ishun, you totally changed your answer. Blood, where is Ishun? Blood is red in color. Blood is important to us. Blood can transporting oxygen and nutrients to the lung. Besides that, blood can tissues. Actually, it is continuous. Blood can transporting oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and tissues. And then, besides that, blood regulates body temperature. Blood is needed to keep us alive. Understand? It's together. You just have to the regulate part. Okay. So Ishun, listen to me. Blood is red in color. Blood is important to us. Blood can. Okay. Ishun, remember, can is a modal verb. After modal verb, you have to use original verb. Okay. So blood can transport. Cannot put transporting. Cannot put ing. Blood can transport oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and tissues. Full stop. Then
That
after that, besides that, blood regulates. No ing. Blood regulates body temperature. Then,
that
therefore, add the word therefore. Therefore, a big T, capital T. Therefore, blood is needed to keep us alive. Okay, send your answer to everyone. Okay, Emin, can you please read your answer?
Blood is red in color. It's called red blood cell. They are
It is called, or it, no, you have to take out S. It's okay, it's okay. Just remember, it called.
it's called red blood cell. They are two types of blood. Another
Two types. Remember, because
type.
two, you must put S. Two types of blood.
Another type of
Where
another
is
type
off?
of
Another type of blood is
blood is white blood cell. 1% of blood is one
where is your full stop? Where is your capital? Full stop, O is capital. So 1% of our blood.
is 1%.
Hey, it's not like that. It's not like that. It's this one. 1% of our blood is it's not 1%, it's 1%. 1% of our blood is white blood cell. Understand?
Oh.
1%, read again, 1%.
1% of our blood is white blood cell. Blood is important for us. If we don't have blood, we will not survive.
Yeah, so many wrong, you mean? Okay, Ishun, read your answer again. You already sent your answer to everyone.
blood blood is red in
Blood,
color.
blood. Blood.
Blood is red in color. Blood is important to us. Blood can transport oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and tissues. Besides that, blood regulates body temperature.
Regulates. The spelling of regulates is wrong. Regulates.
Regulate body temperature. Therefore, blood is needed to keep us alive.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you, both of you. Okay, so now we are going to watch a video about blood, and you are going to collect the information. Hey, wait. Okay, so please take out your English notebook and select the information as well about the blood. Okay, I will ask you to write or I will ask you to speak. So you have to take note.
Hi there.
Can you both hear? Because my screen is lagging. But you can hear, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi there. Can you guess what I am? I'll give you a hint. I have a very important job inside your body, and your heart helps me to do my job. I'm a red blood cell. My job is so important that
Please take note. Please take note.
you'll thank me for it later. But I can't take all the credit. Without your heart, I couldn't do a thing. You see, I'm like a little delivery truck in your body. I pick up and drop things off all the time. I ride the highways of something called the circulatory system. I like to call it the circle system because I keep going in circles. This system is made of your heart and blood vessels that carry your blood to different areas of your body. Your blood vessels are like tiny tunnels that run all through your body. They are made up of arteries that take oxygen to places in your body and veins that take carbon dioxide from your body to your lungs. This is my highway. But I can't move by myself. I move within your blood when it moves. How does your blood move, you ask? Why, your heart pumps it. Let me show you how. Your heart is the most important muscle in your body. It moves by itself, and even though you can hardly feel it, it keeps moving all the time, even when you are sleeping. Want to feel your heart move? Sit very still and put your hand on your chest. If you're running hard or exercising, you might find it easier to feel. When your heart moves, it's called a heartbeat. Your heart makes at least 100,000 heartbeats every day. When your heart beats, it pulls blood into it and pushes it out again. This helps the blood to move fast enough to go through your whole body and back. And it helped me to pick up my deliveries and take them to different places in your body. I'm not alone in there. There are lots of red blood cells just like me doing the same thing in your body all the time, even now while I'm talking to you. Here's me at the start of my little journey. I just got back from dropping off some things to some places in your body. I need to get some more speed to do more deliveries, so I ride your bloodstream into your heart. Going through the heart is easy because the heart has special rooms and doors that only open one way. Right now, I am entering the right side of the heart. I go through the first room called the right atrium, through the first door called the tricuspid valve, and through the second room called the right ventricle, and through the second door called the pulmonary valve. The heartbeat causes the heart to squeeze the blood in these rooms into the next area. It pushes the blood through it and into the arteries like tunnels that lead to other parts of the body. So now I am moving a little faster because the heart has given me a push. Now I need to go and pick up the things I need to deliver. My first stop is to the lungs. I need to pick up a little oxygen molecule to take to some place in the body. Everybody needs oxygen. Our lungs bring it into our body, and then I pick it up and take it to where it's needed. It seems like it would be tricky to pick up the oxygen, but the lungs really help me with that job. You see, here in the body, we all work together and cooperate to keep everything running smoothly. When I get to the lungs, I'm not really this big, it's just easier to see me this way. And I get really close to the sides of my little tunnel. The oxygen that is sort of floating out of the walls nearby just jumps onto me for the ride. When enough of it has hopped on and I can't hold anymore, then I'm ready to go back to the heart for another push. Know what? This all happened so fast that it's even faster than blinking. So now, this time, I need to go on the other side of the heart. This side is for all of us red blood cells that are carrying oxygen. The heart pushes us a little farther this time because some of us have a very long trip. I go in through the first room called the left atrium, through the mitral valve doorway, and into the left ventricle room to get my big push. Then out I go and on my journey. I like my job because I get to travel. Here I am making a delivery in the foot area. All I have to do is draw near to the tunnel wall and the oxygen will just jump out of my truck and squeeze out of the tunnel. It's pretty neat to watch. While this is happening, I also make another pickup. Carbon dioxide needs to be taken up to the lungs so that the body can get rid of it by breathing out. And I'm just the cell to do it. I grab some and off I go again. Going back up to the heart is a little tricky because I need to ride up. It's kind of like climbing a hill. Because of this, the veins have little trapdoors called valves that only open one way. This stops me from floating in the wrong direction. So I keep going up and up as the heart keeps beating and pushing the bloodstream along. Eventually, I get back to the heart again where I get ready to drop off the carbon dioxide in the lungs and get a good push to get me going on another pickup. So that's my job. What do you think? Pretty important, isn't it? The heart really helps me to do my job well.
Okay, so did you learn how the job of the blood, and the heart is the main reason that the blood works, right? Okay, so now let's get started with Emin. So Emin, can you please tell me what are the information you get from the video?
This red cell is for give carry is for carry blood to another part of body.
Is to
And-
bring the oxygen and also nutrients to all part of the body.
Yes,
Okay.
and red blood is
Yes, Emin.
and red blood is
Okay, I'll ask you again later. Ishun, you can start.
Blood cannot move by itself, so they need the heart to give a push. And the heart is important to help the blood to
transport the oxygen and nutrients.
yes.
What else? That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. You mean?
Uh, uh, red blood cell,
Red blood cell.
red blood cell contain uh
Contain. You can just tell me what you get to know from the video. You don't have to think a lot. Just tell me what you get to know from the video. Basic information you get. Like what Yishun said.
red blood cell cannot move with need blood to like
Right?
push.
Blood to push?
No, need heart to push red blood cell to walk,
To move.
to move.
Mm-hmm.
And then red blood cell carry oxygen from the lung to all part of the body.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
Okay, all right. Good job. Okay. Now let's move to the third slide.
I'll give you a hint.
Hey. Okay. So Ishan, please read.
We all know blood is that red sticky stuff that come out of your body when you get hurt, and on Halloween we see blood as vampire food. But what is it really? What is it made of? What is it for? Where does it go?
Amy.
Blood is made of two parts, liquid and solid.
Yes. So blood we have two parts, which is liquid and solid. Okay. Ishan.
The liquid part of blood contains water and protein. This is called plasma.
Yes. Okay. So what is inside the blood? Okay, but the blood is carries oxygen and nutrients, but it's not inside the blood. Okay, what is inside the blood is water and protein. Okay, and this is called plasma. Yeah. Continuation.
The main protein found in blood is called albumin. The main function of this protein is to keep the blood inside the blood vessel.
Yes, so the protein called albumin is the function of albumin is to make sure that the blood is in the blood vessel. Okay, because this is okay, let's say this is the blood vessel. You know, sometimes like people very stressed, so the blood vessel can break, and then the blood can come out from the blood vessel and move to all the places. Understand? So it protects your blood vessel. Okay, and then Amy.
All
Unmute yourself.
about blood. The solid part of blood contains red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets.
Yes. The solid part of blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets.
Red blood cell carry oxygen through your body. White blood cell fight infection when you're sick.
Yes, you see the red blood cells. Function of the red blood cell is carry oxygen through your body. But white blood cell fight infection when you are sick. So if your white blood cell come out, it's very dangerous. Have you seen your white blood cell coming out? No? Yes or no? Have you seen your your white blood cell coming out? Never. Never before. Oh, you mean yes. Yes. So if it's little bit, it's okay. But if it's a lot, you have to inform your parents. So they will bring to check because the white blood cell is very important. Cannot come out a lot. If come out a lot, then are you listening to me, Amy?
Yes.
Because if your white blood cell come out a lot, then the white blood cell is not enough to fight when you get sick. Okay, so if it's a lot, inform your parents, they will check with the doctor. Okay. And platelets, Amy,
Huh?
read.
Platelets help you stop bleeding when you get hurt.
Yes, so the platelets is help you stop bleeding when you get hurt. So these three are playing very important role. Okay, what is blood for, Ishu?
What is blood for? Thanks to all the components of blood, plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, and their function, we know that blood carries nutrients throughout the body, give oxygen to the body, keeps you from getting sick.
Okay, so now, okay, you understand this, right? Okay,
Yes.
Emin, where does blood go?
Blood travels through the circulatory system. The heart is the main muscle that pumps blood to the rest of the body, but the heart has two jobs.
Mm.
One is send the blood throughout the body. Two is send blood to the lung to pick up oxygen.
Mm. So two jobs. First is it sends the blood throughout the body. Number two, it sends blood to the lungs to pick up the oxygen and give oxygen to your body. Okay, is blood actually blue? Huh? Okay, Ishan?
Is blood actually blue? Many people think blood is actually blue because veins look blue. They explain that blood becomes red when it gets oxygenated.
Yeah, so many people think blood is actually blue because the veins look blue. You know, you can see the green color, right? The veins. Can you see? Can you see the green color?
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so that is veins. If you can see the green color, blue color thing, I think on my face also got this side. I can see. So it's veins. So many people think that, you know, it's blood look blue. They explain that blood becomes red when it gets oxygenated. Okay. Continue.
This is all
Myth.
myth. Blood
Myth
looks
is
blue for the following reason.
okay. So the meaning of myth is not true. People just believe. Blood looks blue for the following reasons.
The way skin absorbs light makes veins look blue when they actually aren't.
So it's because of the color of veins.
The color of veins depends on the way you see colors. Your brain sees blue veins because it compares that color to the color of your skin.
Yeah, so when it get mixed with your skin color, it become blue. Okay, so now it's your presentation time. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 minutes to prepare this. You are going to do a presentation. Okay, so you will start your presentation. Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about the most important part of a body, which is blood. Okay, firstly, I'm going to tell you what is it made of. Okay, it is made of blah 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 blah. Okay, and then I'm going to explain what is plasma. So plasma helps us to blah 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 blah. Okay, and then you have to explain about red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. So you have to tell me the function of red blood cell, the function of white blood cell, and platelets. And then what is blood for? Okay, where does blood go? Is blood actually blue? Okay, this one, the last one, you don't have to talk. Okay, we changed to why blood is important or something. You just made a conclusion. Okay, so I hope everyone learned a lot of things from this presentation. Thank you for listening. Understand? Okay, so now you can prepare your script in your brain or in your writing. It's up to you. But after you're done, you cannot look at your paper, cannot look at anywhere. Okay, you just have to speak because this is a presentation. Understand? Okay, so can you please download your PowerPoint slide? Did you download? Because you have to collect the information by looking at the previous slides.
Yes.
You downloaded email?
Yes.
Okay, then go ahead. Oh. Okay, wait. I think we can watch the video first because we have a video here. Okay, so after we watch the video, you prepare the presentation and do the presentation, okay? Okay, yeah, the last one.
Don't live longer with Vantage. What will you do? Will you make something better? Create something new?
Okay, so before that, let me tell you the topic. The topic is first aid for 6 common injuries in kids. Okay, if something happened to you, okay, what are the first aid? Do you know what is the meaning of first aid?
Yes.
The first treatment you must give if something happened to kid before you bring them to the hospital. Okay, so now let's watch the video and you can take note. I will ask you.
Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Okay, So since this is the reading part, you don't have to take note, you just read, okay? But I will ask you questions. Understand? Okay, because you have to read and write, it will be hard for you. So you just read and then later you tell me what you remember. Okay?
Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
My camera. Why two of you off the cam? I off the cam because I'm lagging.
No, because my parents need to go. Then call me to close,
Oh,
then open.
Okay, so Ishan, you can start. What type of injuries and how to treat the injuries?
Burn our hand.
Mhm.
Then we have to put in a cold water to give our hands to like
To feel soothing.
yes, and or we can use the ice to
They said do not use the ice. Why they shouldn't use the ice? Because the blood movement stop. So we shouldn't use the ice. Did you read that properly?
yes, I forgot already.
Okay. Do you have anything else?
No,
Okay, Emin, don't repeat the same thing. Come up with different injury and how to handle the injury.
If your kid is shivering, you
Eh? They never talk about shivering.
yes.
Shivering? Which part? Okay, continue. What is that?
And then you need to keep warm.
No, I cannot accept this. Come up with different one. Like there are many like heat stroke,
Uh,
rape.
the nose have blood.
Mm-hmm.
Need to
Ask them to sit firmly against the chair, right?
and then use the
Nose,
shoe
tissue.
to close the nose.
Uh-huh. And
About
what they shouldn't do, they shouldn't blow the nose for how long?
24 hours.
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, now you can prepare your presentation. Okay, go ahead.
Teacher need to write on chat or PowerPoint.
You don't need to write, you just going to speak. No need to write, you just think how you're going to talk. That's it. No need to write, no need. Just speak. Just prepare your answer in your brain. Okay? And is blood actually blue? You don't need to answer that. Are you ready? Who is ready? Not ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, good. Okay, go ahead.
Hi everyone, I am Poimi. I'm going to talk about the most important part of our body, which is blood. Blood is made with liquid and solid, and the main and plasma
Plasma. Don't use the word blood.
plasma
Blood contain plasma.
blood contain plasma. Find
What is plasma? Blood contain plasma.
plasma is the liquid part of blood. Blood contains water and protein.
Mm. The function of the red blood cell is
The function of the red blood cell is carry oxygen through your body.
carry oxygen throughout all part of our body, to all part of our body.
Carry oxygen through to all part of body.
The white blood cell
The white blood cell fight infection when you are sick.
Mm.
The platelets help you stop bleeding when you get hurt.
hurt when you get hurt.
When you get hurt.
The blood is for
The blood is for
carrying
nutrient throughout
carrying oxygen and nutrients
carry oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Give oxygen to the body and keep you from getting sick.
Where does blood go?
The blood travel through the circulatory system. Mm.
The
And
blood play an important role. The conclusion. The blood is very important.
the blood is very important
To our body.
to our body.
Mhm. So make sure that we don't get hurt.
Make sure we cannot get hurt.
Don't get hurt.
Don't get hurt. And
Okay. And
finish.
read that. I hope everyone.
Oh, and I hope everyone learn.
Don't start your sentence with "and."
I hope everyone learned a lot of things from my presentation. Thank you for listening.
Okay, Ishun, your turn.
Hi everyone, I am Bo Yishun. I'm going to talk about the most important part of our body, which is blood. Blood is made of liquid and solid. Plasma is the liquid part of blood, contains water and protein. Red blood
Ishun, are you reading? Don't read. Answer like you mean. Come, bring it out from the brain. Don't sounds like a robot. Continue.
Plasma is the liquid part of body, contains water and proteins. Red blood cells carry oxygen through your body, and white
Carry
and
oxygen to all parts of your body or throughout your body.
white blood cells fight in
Repeat that red blood cell.
red blood cells carry oxygen throughout
Throughout the body.
your body, and white blood cells fight infection when you're sick. And
I said don't make n. No n. Full stop, platelets.
platelets help you stop bleeding when you get hurt. Blood is for give oxygen to the body.
Giving. After for, you must put ing, for giving.
Blood is for giving oxygen to the body. And keep you from getting sick.
The blood goes.
The blood goes travel through the circulatory system.
Conclusion. The blood is very important.
The blood is very important for us.
Okay, but the blood works because of the heart.
But the blood works because of the heart.
So we must do exercise to take care of our heart.
So we must do exercise to take care of our heart.
Other than that,
we
must eat healthy foods.
We must eat healthy food to
Protect our heart.
protect our heart.
Okay, then continue. I hope everyone
learned a lot of things from my presentation. Thank you for listening.
Yes, all right. So do you understand today's lesson about blood?
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you more presentations activity in the future. Okay, so you have to like start practicing and improving your speaking. Okay, all right. So see you again in my next class. Bye bye. Have a good day.